Man, you know what time it is. It is Townhouse Tuesday. Thank you all for joining me on this Tuesday. And I have a beautiful townhome for you by MI Homes, but it's not in one of the usual locations. This townhome is actually in Apex in what's going to be a huge community called Friendship Station. It's over 80 acres. It's going to have single family homes, townhomes. It's going to be beautiful. And if you're not familiar with Apex, it is in Wake County and it's also a suburb of Raleigh. And the schools in Apex, absolutely amazing. If you're unfamiliar with Apex, please reach out to my team and I. I would love to share with you everything it has to offer. Now, I can put you in contact with Bree. Bree is a team member of mine. She is top notch. So contact me. I'll put you in contact with her and we can get the ball rolling. But now let's go inside and look at this 3-story townhome by MI Homes in Friendship Station. Let's go. Now, this is the main entrance that your guests would use. When they come in, you go up the stairs and there's a landing. We'll get to that in a second. But if you go down the stairs, you have this right here, a bonus room, as well as a full bathroom. And then before that, you have your garage. Now, I will be showing the floor plan in just a second. Take another look at the bonus room. Now let's look at the floor plan. Downstairs, you have a 2-car garage, the first floor with the bonus room and a full bath. And then when you go to the second level, you have the main living area, the great room, the dining room, and the kitchen. Now, they had pricing on this. They asked me not to really share it because it's not confirmed, because they're a little ways off of the release date, and with just everything going on in the world, supply cost, delays, they're not quite sure where they want to price it or if that pricing is definite. Now take a look at all this cabinetry. You have stainless steel appliances, the Deluxe kitchen package, a gas range. Absolutely beautiful, especially for a townhome. And what I like about this floor plan is that the bathroom, the half bath, is far away from the eating area. I like that. I hate it when a townhome has the half bath right next to the kitchen. It just, I don't know, it makes me feel some kind of way. Now when you go upstairs to the 3rd level, you have a little nook right there to put a desk. Nice sized laundry room. And now going into bedroom number 1. Looking at bedroom number 2, they're comparable sizes. Now this is the shared bathroom. And now you have the owner suite. That is a king size bed with a nice size closet. Now onto the owner suite bathroom with a walk-in shower. Please, if you're interested in new construction in North or South Carolina, I'm serious, either Carolina, please reach out to my team and I. We are here to help. And this community is in Apex by MI Communities at Friendship Station. Reach out to us. I'll put you in contact with Bree, absolutely amazing agent on my team. And we will take care of you, making sure we find something that suits all your needs. Thank you for joining me on this Townhouse Tuesday. I'm Sir Ashley. Talk to you soon.